y'all, it's your girl Candace Lene, and I am back with another video. If you're new to this channel, please go hit that subscribe button. If you are returning, thank you and welcome back. So guys, I have a hair review for you. It's been a while. I've been kind of focusing on natural hair videos, but I have hair. I have a nice wig that I will be reviewing for you guys. So I reviewed from this company before, but they want me to keep reviewing, and I'm gonna keep reviewing because I actually really like their hair. So that's the only reason I come on here, is because I like their hair. But always keep in mind that this is an initial review, so you're just kind of watching me put on the wig so you can see how it looks. Later on, if people ask, I do come on and let you know if the wig is good or bad. Usually if I don't say anything, it's probably a good wig. So I have Neflyon wigs here again, and they sent some wig caps, my color too, perfect. And then I have the clips and the elastic band in there. And then here is the unit that they sent. So this is a highlighted 12-inch bob unit. It is actually a silk base unit. I've never had a silk base unit before, but we're gonna see. This already gives you the fake scalp effect, so you don't actually have to bleach the knots. Y'all excuse my missing nail. It's actually right here. I just don't feel like putting it back on right now. But yeah, so this is a silk base. And it is a 13x4, I believe. Yeah, but it's all the way across. So if I decided to change the part from where the silk base is, I could go ahead and do that. This unit, I did not bleach the knots, so they are plucked. I did do that already, but I didn't feel like going in and bleaching the knots. So I'll go ahead and add some lace tint to it. I'll add my lace tint, and then I'll go ahead and just apply this unit as normal. But because I am going to be using the silk base part, I was just going to go ahead and leave it like that. But so guys, I'm going to go ahead and apply this unit so we can see what it's looking like. The hair is very soft. I'm not getting much shedding. Once again, this is the initial, so far so good. And we're going to go ahead and just put this on. So if you're interested in what this wig is going to look like, continue watching. Okay guys, so this is what this wig is looking like. I am really feeling it. I will be honest, when I first pulled this wig out the bag, I was like, I don't know. But after putting it on, it's cute. I'm feeling it. I will say 12 inches doesn't really feel like 12 inches, but maybe I'm so used to rocking longer hair that maybe this is 12 inches. I don't know. But let me turn around so y'all can see the full thing. And it's cute. It's cute. So I will be linking everything down in the description box below. If you are interested in this wig, please go check it out. Obviously you can get it on Amazon, but as you guys can see on their bags, you can also go to neflyonwigs.com. Other than that, I don't really have anything bad to say about this hair. The lace didn't really match me. It probably would have been better if I bleached the knots, but other than that, y'all, like, this hair is really soft. Like, it's really soft. I haven't had any shedding issues yet. And it's just a bomb little summer wig that you can rock. I know summer's almost over, but y'all know we rock wigs whenever we want to wear them, however we want to wear them, during whatever season, okay? So I was doing too much with this wig, but it still looks good. It's a little wrinkly, a little bumpy and stuff up there just because I only used the Gossipy, but right after that, I put some foam on top, so it lifted. I wasn't thinking, that wasn't very smart at all. But whatever, like, if I actually went through and redid this wig would be seamless and it would look bomb, even with me not bleaching the knots and stuff. So, you know, mindless mistake, but it still looks good though. I'm feeling myself. I ain't did something like this all summer, and you can't tell me nothing. I did put my nail back on, so I'm really feeling myself. Period. Pooh. Who? New wig. Who this? Who this? Who that? Who is you? No, but y'all, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Be sure to ring my bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. And I will see you guys in my next one. Peace. So y'all, I had a quick wardrobe change, and I am feeling the black with the hair versus the white. Like, this black is really hitting. Like, hold up, y'all, excuse my background. I had cleaned up and everything for the video, and then I had to bring everything back, so excuse that. But y'all, look, it matches and everything. Like, this black looks so much better. I didn't want to reshoot the end of the video, so I thought I'd just come in here and show y'all that if you're gonna wear this hair, throw on black, okay? This black is fire with this, okay? Let me know what y'all think in the comments if y'all like the white versus the black. But me, I'm team black all day. I just always wear black in my videos and didn't want to put on black, but I should have because, sis, I'm sorry. Oh, you was talking to me? Oh, okay.